Clearing the TikTok cache is a simple way to keep the app running smoothly and free up storage space on your device. Temporary files can build up over time, but removing them helps enhance performance and responsiveness. You don't have to worry about losing your drafts, liked videos, or other saved content, as clearing the cache only removes unnecessary files. Let's look at how you can manage the cache on both iOS and Android devices. On iOS devices, start by opening the TikTok app and tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Access the settings by selecting the three-line menu in the top right corner. Next, scroll down to the Cache and Cellular section and tap Free Up Space. Select Clear next to Cache and confirm when prompted. This quick process helps free up storage and keeps TikTok running efficiently, all without affecting your personal content. For Android users, clearing the TikTok cache is just as easy. Open the TikTok app, tap your profile icon, and enter the settings through the three-line menu. In the Cache and Cellular section, choose Free Up Space, then tap Clear next to Cache and confirm. Alternatively, you can clear the cache via your device's settings by navigating to Apps, selecting TikTok, tapping Storage, and choosing Clear Cache. Both options safely remove temporary files while keeping your personal content intact. Once you've cleared the cache, consider additional steps to keep your device running smoothly. Beyond cache management, maintaining TikTok's optimal performance involves keeping the app updated and regularly reviewing your device's storage. Closing unused background apps can also prevent slowdowns. By following these simple practices, you'll enjoy a more reliable and efficient experience every time you use TikTok.